cannot be oblivion, meaning you cannot be unconcerned about what we are doing for our survival and freedom. We know that talk is cheap.
All right, Famdi.
Yes.
Thank you so much. Sorry to bother you. I think
I remember something. Go ahead.
Yeah, I wanted Honorable Christopher to play the video that led to the resolution for the United States government to ensure that to clarify to Biafrans on why we took the decision we took to order all the Biafran military in any camp that is federal to move to their states, because we are building a 40-state government approved by our Prime Minister and Onyendo, and we also are building military that will be loyal to our new nation, military that will help us realize our new nation, military that the commanders and the generals believe in Biafra. And in this voice note, I would like Biafrans to listen to that, where the General Butuzor has said he is not working with the new nation of the United States of Biafra. We don't want to complicate issues. We gave everyone time to think of where they want to be. We do not know who is working with. We don't care. All we care about is the protection of this mandate, protection of this new nation from anyone, force, local or abroad. That is the task of myself and the United States of Biafra government and the cabinet. Thank you so much, Honorable Christopher. Go ahead and play this. And I want every Biafran, true genuine Biafran, that followed Onyendo Nnamdi-Kanu, that followed our Prime Minister Simon Ekpa to pay attention to every single word on this audio. Thank you so much, Honorable Christopher. Go ahead.
Madam, but that Mosina Mahayana for Thunder. Now, Thunder is one of your commanders inside my camp. Madam, oh God. Original he's a social media. So, Madam, I can mention Mahayana for Thunder and Abaraki Butuzor. But they say Mahayana for Thunder and Abaraki Butuzor. You mention your mouth, Ngozi Orabueze, Nkuma there 2 years in a struggle. I get here a year and again a struggle. Keep a product original, no region honor. We're social media. You call and take on the Indian suspension 1 month to look at you 1 bucket. 1 bucket grammar IPOB in Obito, 1 bucket the Kage grammar, a so good Obito. You can be telling Monazoka. Ure PM, Ure PM, Ure Gozu PM, Ure position of Mazoka, look at you, or kick a broadcast. Thank you very much. The way I may have diagram, the way I may have the glory of God in our manifest in my life. No, in a Mayaka Chinaka and Nurotiko, and the more in a Buloko Melo. But the Huranga Thunder, it was to have Thunder. Now you wrote that Thunder is one of your commander. Ngozi Orabueze. Thunder now one of your commander. Oh, but Thunder can send Rego. Everybody read about the recent there. But Thunder can send there. And I saw the total. It puts to Gabono. I love the African better. This is the I'm not in US government. I come up with your element. Everyone know about that time. I will make a fight. How to do a fight? Or women who will make a fight. But do you lie that Nabutunda is not your commander? But you said that now you don't know commander. Thunder is not commander. Thunder is nobody. He is just an ordinary soldier. Na barakia. Bakoya brama case me phone of bread. Oje kona ure phone. Lord, kila mwana ya commander na baraka mo. Look at his driver. It has got a notice to United States of Biafra government. that one of your commander, your own commander, Thunder, has been allegedly multiplied and thrown inside a pit by Commando One, who is under Commander Butuzor in Olu State. Commander, look at you, you are the free. Look at you, often an error, and even for an error, and like you would have again. He will judge. He will judge. Those who take a grandma is a my hair. But I will go to Ragasia. God not again. Who knows you to return? Not one in Ala Biafra. God from in Biafra land. I will do with you. If when they like in a recruit, I will use them to fight you. Hold on a minute again. I been a ultimate na struggle. I was saying Ghana. I got we bring a struggle. Ngozi Orabueze na ke so Ngozi Orabueze. I we bring na this struggle. I was saying Ghana. And the category with on category is not the same thing. They can only foolish and fool those they can fool, but they can never fool me. He then like he then says book. You suspended the Orabueze of our board. Look at you. And my yogiri. And my yogiri and my yogi woman dialogue. Who are you? You must come to the mind. If you don't know Biafra, if you don't know Biafra, if you don't know Biafra, if you don't know if you don't know what Biafra, don't call me like Biafra and that I will never call you again. And anything concerning me, stay away. If you don't have me then I just write up. Will bring insult. And then my bandit, and media, they will use this name to fight you. Now I got Biafra show. That you are fighting for state, why others are fighting for background. You know, that the imagine them the color. You know, that the imagine someone happened. I don't want look at you, play with the Kage. Mommy, I saw Kage Mama 100 times. Here, did you Ripu, wherever they see what someone happened. Oh, we'll grow you. Mommy, I saw Kage, and I can't feel any mother. I am on the top. Without to phone and error and they are what I'm going to go to. Idiot, that's what the grandma here. A paper again, the person you book in. I'm sorry, Biafra Gabo gone. If the bill we are, Ega will get out of Bujakin as a Kia. I'm a catalogue as I told like being here without one word in war. What about what? Those square so the Kage, a proof.
All right, thank you. All right, thank you so much. Again, thank you so much, Honorable Christopher. It is good that we put context to whatever we do as Biafrans, and that context will always be there to let the world know, to let Biafrans know why we do what we do. I've been in this struggle for almost 4 years. Even though Butuzor here said that I'm less than 1 year or 1 year plus. So that is a false statement from a Commander General whom we hold at a high esteem to talk to Biafrans and misinform Biafrans. Those of you that have been following our Prime Minister and the Biafra Republic government in exile when I was the Chief of Staff, you know that the Prime Minister suspended Madam Azuka. The position that Madam Azuka held in this struggle was the position of the Defense Minister and also the position of Finance Minister. Those two positions, I don't hold them. The Defense Minister, the Prime Minister gave it to Honorable Solomon Okocha. The position of the Finance Minister, the Prime Minister gave it to Honorable Ogenkere. So they talk by Commander Butuzor here to say that I took over the position of Madam Azoka. I do not know whom he's talking to. I don't know where that information is coming from. But I must set the record straight. It is my responsibility. The other thing he said that the money that was sent to him through Commander Thunder was sent to Thunder, not to Butuzor. Again, that information is not true. As some Biafrans have noticed between February, March, April, the United States of Biafra government was giving the federal camp by Commander General Butuzor. Whatever he requested for, we were trying as much as possible to give it to him based on what we got from the fundraising. There's no other place we are getting money at this point. It was General Butuzor that sent to our finance secretary, Secretary Farm D. It was Butuzor that sent the account that the federal will be using to receive money. And the account that General Butuzor sent to Farm D was Commander Tondo's account. And we have our finance secretary here to clarify that later. So when Butuzor said that the money that the USB governments, even though he said, I don't send no money except in very emergency cases. We have a finance department that handles all that. So when he says that the money that was sent by the government was sent to Commander Thunder and not to him, that is false. That is not true. He, Butuzor, was the one that sent Commander Thunder's account to the government, and we follow that. Every money we send to Commander Butuzor goes through Commander Thunder, whom he approved us to send money through. But for him to come out on social media and say that the money we sent was for Commander Thunder, not for him and his men, that is not true. One thing I want to tell Biafrans, and this is the first time. This is the first time I'm going to say this to Biafrans, and I think it's imperative at this point to let Biafrans know this, is this. We've scheduled several meetings to meet with Igwe Butuzor. Again, it is one thing to say somebody does not know how to talk, and then you see this same person ranting all over social media, sending voice message to disrupt the function of the new nation. And then behind the scene, the person said he don't know how to be on social media, he doesn't know how to talk, he doesn't know how to say anything, but the whole Biafrans are hearing his voice on social media. That's very conflicting. And for that, again, I don't know his problem. I will keep saying that I don't know people's problem, and I cannot solve a problem that I do not know. After the declaration of the United States of Biafra, General Butuzor, through this thunder, this same thunder that they tried to eliminate, he told him that he will want to broker peace so that this government moves immediately to where we need to be. He said that he told me to, there are certain things he said, but the point I'm trying to come to is he said he wants to know from me, he wants to have the legal documents that back up my stand as the one to lead Biafra. This Butuzor, Igwe Butuzor. So he requested for me to send him the documents, anything, so that he can go through that. This may sound funny, and this is the first time I'm telling this to Biafrans. Through this same Commander Thunder, whom some of them have labeled as a spy, so he needs to die. And some of them have labeled that Commander Thunder wants to kill Butuzor. These are all lies. And again, I will not, this government will not stand for any, whether you're a commander or general, to eliminate another Biafran without. You do not owe that life. You have no right to do that. So whatever, the only thing I've noticed is the powers that be, not either from the people that the Prime Minister have fired in the past, or from the delegitimized governors working closely with these people that pretended that they work for Biafra. All I can see is the determination to silence this new nation that we got, but they do not have the power. They can never do that. It's a promise. So Butuzor, General Butuzor told
Yeah, did you like it?
Family, we are listening to you. Thank you. Butuzor told Commander Thunder that he want me to send the documents that will make him believe me. So I sent him all the declaration documents, our declaration in Finland, the surrogate letter written by our Prime Minister, the declaration document, everything. Our constitution that has my name, our agenda that has my name. I sent all that documents to Igwe Butuzor. Then he said he's going to ask Ogen Kiri of Biafra land and the removal of the Nigerian terrorists from our land. So I just want to chip it in at this time from the, and again, I know from the voice that Biafrans have heard, that is why we want all the Biafrans that we are assembled in the federal by Obatopie and Onyendu Namdekanu to immediately go to their states. They must go to the 40 states because right now we are operating 40 states, nothing more, nothing less. Once we do that, it will be easier for us to remove the Nigerian terrorists from our land.